Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us see the distance formulas. Distance of a point from a plane. Delta equal to modulus u vector dot n vector minus p divided by modulus n vector. Next, distance between two parallel planes. Delta equal to modulus d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now let us see the problems. Find the distance of a point 2, 5, minus 3 from the plane r vector dot 6i minus 3j plus 2k equal to 5. Here the point is taken as u vector, that is equal to 2i plus 5j minus 3k. And here the vector is this bracket. This plane is of the form r vector dot n vector equal to p. So the vector n vector is 6i minus 3j plus 2k. And the perpendicular distance p value is 5. Now the perpendicular distance from u vector to the plane r vector dot n vector equal to p is given by delta equal to modulus u vector dot n vector minus p divided by modulus n vector. So here note that u vector is the given point and n vector is the given vector. P is the perpendicular distance. Now this is equal to modulus u vector 2i plus 5j minus 3k dot n vector 6i minus 3j plus 2k minus p value 5 divided by modulus n vector. So taking modulus of this n vector, that is root of 6 square 36 plus minus 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4. So this is equal to modulus 2 into 6 12, 5 into minus 3 minus 15, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, and the last number minus 5 divided by root of adding this 49. This is equal to, this is modulus minus 14. So modulus of minus 14 is 14. Modulus means we have to take positive only. Divided by root 49 is 7. So this is equal to 2 units. Next problem. Find the distance between the parallel planes x plus 2y minus 2z plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. So the given planes are, first plane x plus 2y minus 2z plus 1 equal to 0 and second plane 2x plus 4y minus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. Given that the planes are parallel, that means the coefficients of x, y, z should be equal. So for that we divide by 2. This second equation divide by 2. So we get x plus 2y minus 2z plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Now we can note that these x, y, z numbers are same. Therefore the planes are parallel. Only the constant is different. So the first constant we take it as d1 and the second constant d2. So here x coefficient is a. So a value 1. and y coefficient is b value 2, z coefficient is c value minus 2, and d1 is first plane constant 1, d2 is second plane constant 5 by 2. So the distance between the parallel planes ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0. This is first plane, and ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0. This is second plane. These two planes are parallel, constant only different, that is d1, d2. Now write the formula, substitute the values, we can get the answer very easily. Delta equal to modulus d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is equal to modulus d1 is 1 minus d2 is 5 by 2 divided by root of a square 1 square 1 plus b square 2 square 4 plus c square, squaring this positive, so 2 square 4. This is equal to, taking LCM, we get minus 3 by 2 modulus divided by denominator root of 9. This is equal to, taking modulus, we can remove the minus sign, so we get 3 by 2 divided by root 9 is 3. So this 3 cancelled, so we get the answer equal to 1 by 2 units. Thanks for watching.